Think your Toyota dealership has your best interests at heart? You might want to think again. I've worked on Toyotas for years, and I've seen far too many owners get taken for a ride, not by shady mechanics down the street, but by the very dealerships they trust to keep their cars running. The same service departments that promise Toyota-certified care are often the ones charging customers thousands for services they don't actually need. And it's not just overpriced oil changes anymore. We're talking about systematic deception, fake inspections, unnecessary flushes, and made-up maintenance designed to turn your trust into their profit. These scams cost Toyota owners millions every year, and sometimes they even shorten the life of your vehicle. Here's the truth most dealerships don't want you to know. They've turned car maintenance into a profit machine, and you're the one paying the price. Once you know what to look for, you'll see exactly how deep these tactics go, and more importantly, how to protect yourself from them. Before we dive into the 13 biggest scams, do me a favor and hit that like button if you're tired of getting ripped off by dealerships. And make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to keep sharing the insider information that helps you save money and keep your Toyota running strong. If you're part of any Toyota groups or forums, share this video there too. It helps us reach more owners who need this kind of honest advice. And drop a comment below with your Toyota's year, model, and mileage. I see every comment, and I'm genuinely curious how your experience compares. Now let's start with scam number 1, the oil change interval deception. This one is everywhere, and it's quietly costing Toyota owners hundreds of dollars a year. You bring your car in for service, and the advisor tells you your Toyota uses conventional oil that needs to be changed every 5,000 miles. It sounds reasonable, right? Wrong. Most modern Toyotas use synthetic oil and are designed to go 10,000 miles between oil changes, according to Toyota's own factory specifications. So why are dealers insisting on twice as many? Because every extra oil change means more labor hours, more multi-point inspections, and more chances to sell you something else you don't need. I've seen dealership records where customers were talked into extra oil changes for years. One owner finally caught on and demanded an explanation. After some pushback, the dealer refunded $210 just for the most recent services they admitted were unnecessary. And that's just one person. Multiply that by thousands of loyal Toyota owners, and you start to see the scale of this racket. The excuse dealerships give is always the same: our technicians were just being cautious. But make no mistake, this isn't a misunderstanding. It's a deliberate policy to keep you coming back sooner than you have to. Scam number 2, the fake air filter inspection. Every Toyota owner has heard this one. We checked your filter and it's filthy. You should replace it today. They'll even bring you a dirty one to show as proof. The problem? That filter might not even be yours. One customer I talked to decided to test her dealer's honesty. She bought a brand new air filter, installed it herself the night before, and told the dealership not to inspect it. After her oil change, the advisor came back holding a dirty filter and claimed it needed replacing immediately. It wasn't even from her car, just a used filter they kept on hand to close more sales. This works because most people have never seen their air filter and don't know where it's located. But in a Toyota, it's a 30-second job. Pop open the airbox, lift the old one out, drop the new one in. Done. The dealership will charge you $60 to $80 for that same service using a $10 part from the parts counter. If you want to save money, check it yourself before every visit. If it's not clogged with dust or leaves, you're good. Never let someone else decide for you when to replace it. Scam number 3, the free multi-point inspection upsell. This might be the biggest trap of them all because it starts with the word free. The dealership advertises a complimentary inspection, but what you're really getting is a fishing expedition for new sales. Here's what happens behind the scenes. The technicians don't get paid to perform these inspections, so they rush through them as fast as possible. They do a quick visual check, maybe look at the brakes or fluids, then hand the sheet to the service advisor. That's when the real sales job begins. Suddenly, you're told your car needs thousands in repairs. Ball joints, brakes, timing belt, transmission service, all urgent, all recommended immediately. I've seen clean, well-maintained Toyotas walk in for a routine oil change and leave with a $4,000 repair estimate. These inspections go way beyond what you authorized. You came in for maintenance, not a scare tactic presentation. Some of the items might be legitimate wear and tear, but a lot of them are exaggerated, misinterpreted, or completely made up. It's not about keeping your Toyota safe, it's about padding their service revenue. Scam number 4, the unnecessary fluid flush epidemic. This one's the most profitable scam of all. Dealerships have realized most customers don't understand fluid intervals, so they use that to their advantage. They'll tell you your brake fluid, coolant, or transmission fluid is dirty and overdue. even if your car has low mileage and no symptoms. A typical upsell sounds like this: your brake fluid needs flushing for $170. Coolant's due for $165. Transmission flush for $225. They use phrases like metal contamination and safety concern to scare you into approving it on the spot. But if you check your Toyota's official maintenance schedule, most of these fluids don't need to be touched for 100,000 miles or more. Many modern Toyotas don't even have power steering fluid. They use electric assist instead. Even worse, some of these flushes can actually damage your vehicle. Aggressive transmission flushes dislodge debris and clog internal passages. Engine flushes can block oil channels and cause catastrophic failure. Toyota themselves warn against unnecessary flushes in their service bulletins. But dealerships still push them because the profit margins are huge. If a dealer recommends any kind of flush, ask them specifically whether Toyota requires it for your model and mileage. Most times, they'll backpedal immediately once they realize you know what you're talking about. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, hit that like button right now. It helps this video reach more Toyota owners who need to hear the truth about dealership scams. And make sure you're subscribed. I've got plenty more coming that'll help you avoid wasting money and keep your Toyota running strong for years to come. Scam number 5, the parts markup deception. This one's subtle, and that's what makes it dangerous. Dealerships have gotten creative about hiding just how much they're overcharging you for parts. Instead of giving you an itemized quote up front, they hand you a vague service estimate that lumps everything together. You won't see the real numbers until after the job's done, and by then, it's too late to question it. Here's how it works. The dealership buys parts at wholesale prices directly from Toyota or an aftermarket supplier. Then they mark them up not by a fair margin, but sometimes by 4, 5, even 6 times their cost. They do this quietly, banking on the assumption that most customers won't know what the parts should actually cost. I've seen customers pay premium prices thinking they were getting genuine Toyota parts, only to find out later they got bargain bin aftermarket components. One customer I helped paid nearly $70 for a cabin air filter that turned out to be an off-brand filter you could buy online for under $10. She assumed the high price meant quality. The dealership just pocketed the difference. That's not just bad business, it's dishonest. When you pay genuine Toyota prices, you should be getting genuine Toyota parts. Instead, dealerships are cutting corners while pretending to maintain factory standards. The markup on simple items is absurd. $10 wiper blades sold for $60, $15 filters sold for $80, even oil drain plug gaskets marked up to 10 times their actual cost. And the labor? Often charged at full hourly rates for jobs that take less than 5 minutes. If you want to protect yourself, always ask for an itemized parts and labor breakdown before approving any service. If they hesitate or refuse, that's your red flag right there. Scam number 6, the commission-driven oversell machine. Here's something most Toyota owners never realize. When you step into a dealership service department, you're not just talking to a helpful technician. You're talking to a commissioned salesperson whose paycheck depends on how much they can convince you to spend. That's right, most service advisors at major dealerships are on commission. The more they sell, the more they earn. Oil changes and tire rotations don't pay their bills. Big ticket repairs and recommended maintenance do. I've watched this play out firsthand. A customer walks in for a simple oil change, and within minutes the advisor's list starts growing. Brake flush, transmission service, coolant replacement, differential service, cabin filters, spark plugs, all urgent and all due today. They'll say things like, "I wouldn't drive this another mile without replacing it," or "We found something dangerous during inspection." And of course, the price tag magically adds up to a few $1,000s. Meanwhile, the mechanics doing the actual work, they're often flat-rate employees, paid per job, not per sale. The service advisors are the ones raking in the money, using your fear as leverage. And it works. Nobody wants to risk their safety, especially when someone in a Toyota uniform is warning them about potential failure. But here's the truth. Most of those urgent issues aren't emergencies at all. They're recommendations designed to meet monthly sales goals, not protect your car. Next time a service advisor pressures you with unsafe or immediate repairs, ask for proof. Request photos, wear measurements, and documentation from Toyota's official maintenance schedule. If they can't show you those, they're selling, not servicing. Scam number 7, the transmission repair nightmare. This one is painful, and it's one of the most expensive scams Toyota owners fall for. Dealerships know that transmission work sounds complicated and intimidating. Most drivers don't understand how transmissions operate, and that fear makes them easy targets. Here's how it usually happens. You bring your Toyota in for routine maintenance. Everything seems fine, until the advisor returns with a serious face and bad news. We found metal in your transmission fluid. You'll need a rebuild or replacement immediately. They'll show you a dirty dipstick or a fluid sample in a clear vial that looks dark and gritty. Then they'll hit you with an estimate for $7,000 or $8,000. They'll tell you it's urgent, that driving another day could destroy the transmission completely. I once had a customer quoted $8,600 for a transmission failure. They came to me for a second opinion. After inspecting it, the real issue turned out to be a faulty sensor and a clogged filter, a $50 fix. That's how deep the deception goes. Dealerships know transmission repairs sound catastrophic, so they exaggerate small issues into full-blown disasters. The truth is, modern Toyota transmissions are among the most reliable in the industry. Most shifting issues come from low fluid, dirty filters, or minor electronics, not catastrophic mechanical failures. So before agreeing to any major transmission work, always get a second opinion. You might save yourself thousands. Scam number 8. The synthetic oil bait and switch. This one's sneaky because it hides behind good intentions. Many dealerships claim your Toyota needs conventional oil so they can get you back more often for service. But here's the twist. They're often putting synthetic oil in anyway and charging you as if it's the cheaper stuff. That means you're getting billed for more frequent oil changes and lower quality oil, while they pocket the price difference. Over time, that adds up to hundreds of dollars wasted, and you never even realize it happened. The confusion usually starts with lazy data entry. Their system lists your vehicle under old maintenance intervals or generic recommendations that don't match your specific Toyota. When you ask why, they'll say it's because you drive under severe conditions, which conveniently applies to almost every customer they see. But Toyota engineers set those oil change intervals for a reason. 10,000 miles between synthetic changes isn't a guess. It's backed by thousands of hours of real-world testing. If your dealer is telling you otherwise, they're either misinformed or intentionally manipulating you for extra visits. If you're not sure what oil your car really uses, check your owner's manual or the oil cap itself. It will say exactly what type you need and the interval Toyota recommends. Follow that, not the sticker on your windshield designed to keep you coming back sooner. If you've made it this far and you're realizing how many of these tactics you've encountered, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious about your experiences with Toyota dealerships, and your stories help other viewers recognize these patterns. Scam number 9. The brake service fear factor. This one's the oldest trick in the book, because it works. Brakes are safety critical, and dealerships know it. That makes them the perfect target for fear-based upsells. It usually starts during a routine service. The advisor comes back holding a clipboard and says, "Your brake pads are almost gone. It's not safe to drive like this." Then comes the quote, "Premium pads, rotor resurfacing, new brake fluid." The works. You'll see a total that runs into hundreds of dollars, all labeled as safety recommendations. But here's the truth they never mention. Brake pad thickness can vary depending on where and how it's measured. A pad that looks thin at one edge might have plenty of life left across most of its surface. Toyota pads also include wear indicators that make a clear squealing noise when they're truly due for replacement. If your brakes aren't squealing, grinding, or pulsing, and your stopping feels normal, you're likely fine. What dealerships call urgent is often just standard wear. The markup here is wild. Pads that cost $30 wholesale are sold for $80 or more, and simple brake jobs are billed as complex safety operations. The truth? Any qualified technician can handle brake service at a fraction of the price. Don't let a scare tactic turn into an unnecessary $1,000 invoice. Scam number 10. The coolant system catastrophe. Few words scare car owners more than engine overheating. Dealerships know that, and they use it. The coolant scam starts with a technician claiming your antifreeze is dirty or acidic. They'll show you a cloudy sample and warn of corrosion or catastrophic engine failure if you don't act fast. Then comes the upsell. A full cooling system flush, thermostat replacement, and radiator cleaning. Easily $400 or $500. Here's the truth. Toyota's long-life coolant is engineered to last up to 100,000 miles before the first replacement and 50,000 miles thereafter. A little discoloration over time is perfectly normal and doesn't mean the system is failing. Real cooling system problems give you obvious warnings: temperature gauge spikes, leaks, steam, or the sweet smell of coolant. If none of that's happening, you don't need a flush. Dealerships rely on fear, not facts, to sell this service. Scam number 11. The timing belt terror. This one targets older Toyotas equipped with timing belts instead of timing chains. The pitch sounds terrifying. If your belt breaks, your engine's toast. And while that can be true for certain engines, the urgency is often exaggerated. Dealerships love to quote timing belt jobs with inflated bundle packages, the belt, water pump, tensioner, and seals, all priced at premium labor rates. They make it sound like everything must be replaced together immediately, but most belts don't fail right at the mileage limit. They degrade gradually, and in most cases, there's plenty of time to schedule the work responsibly. Many Toyotas even use non-interference engines, meaning a belt failure won't destroy the engine at all, though it'll still need repair. Yes, replacing a timing belt is legitimate preventive maintenance. But don't let anyone scare you into doing it early or convince you that a $2,000 complete package is your only option. Scam number 12. The diagnostic fee double dip. This scam is sneaky because it hides behind something that sounds perfectly reasonable. Your check engine light comes on, so the dealer says they need to run diagnostics, usually $100 to $200. You agree. Then, when you approve the repair, they quietly add the diagnostic charge again inside the labor fees. You've just paid twice for the same 15 minutes of work. Modern Toyota scan tools can pull fault codes in seconds. The real diagnostic skill comes from interpreting those codes, but many dealerships don't go that far. They charge premium diagnostic rates just to print out a code that any parts store will read for free. Even worse, once they've scanned your system, they'll find unrelated issues. Oxygen sensors, evap leaks, transmission faults, each one adding more diagnostic time and more fees. And if you decline their service, guess what? That diagnostic fee is non-refundable. You're paying for information about your own car and still leaving empty-handed. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments how much your dealership charged just to read a check engine light. I see every comment. Scam number 13. The warranty void intimidation. This one's the most manipulative of them all because it uses fear, not just money. The advisor looks you in the eye and says, if you don't service your Toyota here, you could void your warranty. That's a lie, and it's one of the most effective sales tactics in the business. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act protects every car owner from exactly this. As long as your maintenance is done correctly with quality parts that meet Toyota's specifications, your warranty stays valid, no matter where you go. But dealerships twist the truth. They'll say only their certified technicians can keep your warranty intact, or that genuine parts are mandatory, even when they're secretly installing aftermarket components. They'll pressure you to buy into their enhanced maintenance programs, which often just duplicate Toyota's regular schedule at double the price. Here's the real rule. Neglect voids warranties, not independence. Follow Toyota's maintenance intervals, keep your receipts, and you're protected. Dealership or not. Now you know what really goes on behind the scenes in Toyota service departments across the country. These 13 scams cost honest drivers thousands every year, but they only work when you don't know what to look for. Armed with this knowledge, you can protect your Toyota, your wallet, and your peace of mind. If this video helped you spot a scam or save money, hit that subscribe button right now. Share it with anyone you know who drives a Toyota or posts in Toyota forums. The more people who know the truth, the fewer fall for these tricks. Keep your car running strong, keep your maintenance smart, and I'll see you in the next one.